Are you suffering from Meniere's disease? Here are some tips to help you manage your condition. Meniere's disease is a problem with the inner ear where there's an excess buildup of fluid within the inner ear. This is known as the endolymph. There's no one cause for Meniere's. In some cases, it may be due to previous inflammation from an old bacteria or viral infection. For some people, it may be due to the information getting to the ear from the nerves, especially from the neck, is going to be interfered with, and that can lead to an excess buildup even when there shouldn't be. It may also be due to an autoimmune disorder. However, there's not one established cause for everybody. People who experience Meniere's are usually going to suffer from different symptoms. This is going to include things like dizziness or vertigo. Sometimes it may be as big attacks or episodes, and other times it may be more low level and affecting their balance on a day-to-day basis. And the other effects, as you would guess, are going to be more based on the ear. So for people, it can be usually that they'll have ringing in the ear, particularly more on one side. They may also have some hearing loss in that ear and a feeling that there's fluid or liquid building up in the ear, even though there's no water inside. Meniere's can have a horrible effect on people's lives, and it's something that we see a lot here in the practice. Here are some tips that we share with our patients to help them manage their condition better. For your diet, try to keep hydrated, reduce intake of salt, caffeine, alcohol, and sugar. All have been shown to reduce some of the triggers for Meniere. Try to stay active, doing regular exercise. You can also try vestibular exercises if they've been suggested for you by your doctor or by another practitioner. Managing your stress and improving sleep can also be very effective. Medication is something that may be suggested by your medical doctor, such as an ENT. This may help with some of the symptoms, but typically it won't be as effective when it comes to the hearing loss or for the tinnitus. There may also be injections that may recommend. Again, these may not be as effective for some of these ear-related symptoms. Here at Vitality Chiropractic, we have years of experience helping patients with Meniere's disease. Over the years, we've changed and adapted our techniques, particularly for patients who have got Meniere's disease, based on what Dr. Birkin found at the Meniere's Research Institute. They have some of the most extensive research in the world, helping thousands of patients who have Meniere's disease. If you experience Meniere's disease or someone you love does, leave a comment down below or follow us for more information.